Hop into the 2021 Toyota Camry. With less than 40,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. At the end of the day, it should be about what your car can do for you, not the other way around. This elegant and efficient Toyota Camry puts you and your passengers at the center. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: pre-collision system, lane departure warning, keyless entry, backup camera, adaptive cruise control, keyless start, satellite radio, Woodgrain Interior Trim, lane keeping assist, Bluetooth connection. Feel what it's like to drive an overachiever. Our friendly professional team will put you in the driver's seat of this sporty Camry today.